the race, the last RSST video. So, and I quote, I'm gonna insert the clip in this video. This asshat
I don't remember what I
said that the price tag on the RS is worth it because it's fucking quality.
There's a reason why the RS has a higher price tag. It's because it's fucking quality. Yeah, bitch, it is!
So guess what we're replacing today? His fucking fog lights that quit working.
Quality.
They German engineered.
But he has Recaros.
You know, that does make sense though.
Yeah. German engineering.
It's quality, but it doesn't last very long.
No, but that would be his gearbox that wouldn't last very long if it was German. Your fucking fog lights, put them in. Hurry up.
Did you say thong lights?
Thong lights? Where are your thong lights? By the way, this shirt is designed by this asshole right here. Designed by it. You can order it on some website.
You're gonna pay me royalties.
Merch plug for something I didn't create. Hurry up!
I can't even see.
Hurry!
I literally can't. I will shake you.
Watch Shark Tank.
I think you're lying.
You guys ever watch Shark Tank?
Oh!
That reminds me of you
He
guys.
said I bet I won't give you a wedgie, so I tried, but your sweater got in the way.
Sweater weather.
What is taking so long? Oh, that's so bright. Not quite as bright as Evan's brake lights, but still pretty
Jesus, those are the
You want me
worst.
to like pull that around?
It's like it's at a weird angle.
What?
You pull that around?
You wanna what?
He's gonna sit right in front of
Saying
you.
pull it out?
Yeah, let me pull it out. It's bright as fuck.
bright. Still
I
recording.
can't see dick.
What are you looking for?
Dick.
Find the hole, stick it, there you go.
Maybe your screwdriver isn't long enough.
Might
Why
not
is it so
be.
deep?
Get a longer screwdriver. Get in there, find the end.
Do I need a
Is it a flathead?
no?
Is it a Torx? That would be.
Oh yeah.
That would be. It
They-
is German.
They do like to use those.
Oh, you dumb idiot.
It's your car. What the fuck are you talking about?
Fucking fuck.
Where's the video?
They just what? They just popped it off?
Yeah, it just popped off.
Where's the video? Let's see his technique.
I'm a little scared. Hey Phil from CJ Pony Parts. Fuck you.
Yeah, you're a fucking liar. There's no. Should take about 15 minutes. Should be back on the road in no time.
It's Bill from CJ Pony.
Oh, it's Bill, not Phil. Well, fuck you too, Phil,
You're
whoever
both
you are.
fucking dilbies.
And Bill,
They're
fuck
like,
you.
Phil, there isn't even a Phil at work here.
See what?
That's not CJ Pony Parts. That is not Bill.
Who tucks a shirt into jeans?
That's Diode Dynamics.
Oh yeah, it is
As you
Bill
can
Diode.
at
see-
Diode Dynamics.
See what?
Look at that.
Did you happen to
Look,
miss that part?
Look.
He clearly says
Look.
Torx T25. Did you miss the
Oh
the
my
Torx
God.
T25 bit?
You dumb retard. You didn't do anything.
He just ripped that shit out like a fucking.
Pop it out.
I think this one's too small. Like, I think it's spinning inside of it.
Pop it out. Just pop it. Here, watch. I'll show you.
No.
He said, just grab it at the edges and work it out.
Just grab it and
I'm kind of
pull.
scared.
Kind of like
Pull it vigorously back and forth until it ejects out.
Grab it around the edges and work it out.
Oh,
Hey! Warranty voided.
fuck.
My Foglight housing broke.
No. Go
I'm
from
a
this
little
side.
scared.
You know, these clips always are scary.
There.
They tend to break.
I just heard that noise when you pulled on the back. It was like.
Don't do that.
Try
Reese.
to push
Reese.
it down
Reese,
as
quit
you pull
pulling
the
it like a
bottom.
bitch. Just fucking yank it. Sometimes you just gotta yank it.
Why are you still using your flashlight?
Better lighting.
Okay.
Fucking idiot.
Just yank it.
Just yank
I'm
that shit.
scared.
It's okay. How much could that cost?
More than I want to pay.
We probably don't want to know the answer to that.
eBay.
We can work behind this, right?
Oh God.
Bro.
Oh, be careful.
I'm gonna punch you in the dick.
Oh no, you got it. Do it. Yeah, do it just like that. It was coming.
Huh.
It's coming. It's coming. I'm running out of air in my lungs. God damn it! Hurry up.
Bro, this is not.
Yeah,
You
comp
need,
tuning.
you need me to.
just the
You need me
base
to.
tunes will fuck.
One eternity later.
Because if I break a clip, I don't want it to be my fault.
There you
There you go.
See, do whatever you did.
There you
My
go.
heart, my soul.
My soul.
What's the mesh for even?
So you don't suck.
What
shit in.
what even is that for even? So you don't get dirt clump in your engine bay? You sound like a fucking Eddie. Ow! Hurry the fuck up.
Do you want to get jerked off? Demonetized. Trying to jerk somebody off.
I didn't say no.
He was trying to argue with me online the other day, and he's like, "You want me to shut the fuck up?" I'm like, "Yes."
Do you want me to just be quiet? Yeah, actually. What are you doing? Walk him through the process.
I took my Torx and I put it on.
What size Torx?
25, bitch.
You sure it's 25?
Like my rims. Not really.
You missed that the first time in the video. You sure it's 25?
Bent, isn't it?
Hurry up!
He's running out of memory.
He's in the army. He doesn't have any to begin with.
Oh, dude, my memory's fucking shot.
Yeah.
I can count to potato. What the fuck is this thing?
Well, you got Reese working on
What is this?
What? Pull it out. It's probably one of those body clips.
You know, this isn't as bad as.
Get some pliers.
Do you see that thing? I don't have pliers, bitch.
Did you even watch the whole video? Did they explain how to get that out in the
He
video?
literally pushes the clips together.
Push the clips together. Don't be a bitch about it.
Yeah, just ain't that shit. There you
Oh,
go.
look at what!
That's the top, fuck nut.
did like the video when it came out.
I have no words. Oh! I'm gonna have.
Oh, dude, my feet just popped.
Pinch both clips on both sides.
Pinch both clips on both sides.
Yeah.
Pinch it off.
Use your hand.
Let's watch the fucking video again for reference.
Wait, you need light?
He already posted that thing on Ronin saying I'm YouTube certified.
God.
See, it's this fucking thing.
Watch the video.
He just pinched.
He literally.
Watch it.
Maybe he broke the clips because he doesn't give a shit.
Maybe did.
It's not his.
Fucking
He don't care.
retards.
Might have replaced them with aftermarket clips. Are you pinching the
Oh,
clips?
they have like stops on the bumper where they push out to.
I don't feel like you're actually pinching the clips. I feel like you're half-assing it. Are you half-assing it?
That would be considered half-assed.
Did you tell Becca you loved her? Because you're about to.
It doesn't work! How did you break these, by the way? They just stopped working?
Yes.
Like I said,
Quality.
they make quality parts. They just don't last that long.
So it's quality as long as it lasts.
The quality is just how well.
Makes
they
sense,
work.
right?
Story of my sex life.
It's not quality. It's like dollar store clearance rack quality.
That's
Gets the
even
job
worse.
done.
They left it at a dollar store. For like half.
Holy shit!
You just gotta finesse.
It took you so long.
You
I had to jerk it off.
Would you like some light?
Great.
Ah!
Oh my god. She just fucking scream a little more. Doey! If you don't quit stopping.
Or,
Kiss my boo-boos.
or the time
AIDS.
it only take me about 4 hours.
I have AIDS!
All day.
I'm gay.
God, that was.
See, now that I know I'm not getting monetized for a hot minute, I just don't give a fuck anymore. I'm just gonna put whatever the fuck I want in my videos.
I swear to God, they could pull these shits out like to the fucking moon. I have no fucking room! Oh, I'm twisting the wrong way. I think. Wait.
Why don't you just unplug the plug?
What do you think I'm trying to do, fucknuts?
I thought
Quality.
Quality. Yeah, so it's supposed to never come apart again.
That's why they quit working, right?
Ah, eat a dick. Maybe I wasn't twisting the right way.
Jesus Christ! My legs are going numb.
He got frustrated with me, and
He's here. Actually,
Oh shit, this is in there.
it's like
oh, it's in there.
like towards me. If you get what I mean.
Stop being a vagina.
Breaks it. Snap. Cracks the whole damn body.
You'd buy me the carbon fiber ones because they're actually cheaper.
They're cheaper?
You'd
Are
be
they cheaper?
surprised.
You hear it break, you just see Reese curb stomp him into his car.
Fuck the curb. Do a burnout. We
Shut
need some
the
of
fuck
those.
up.
We need some of those body panel removers.
I don't think that would help.
That would be a good idea.
I wish I'd paid more attention to how the other clips went.
They went like this way.
They were that way, right?
Yeah, that's why I said pull it towards me.
How did you get the top one out last time? Did you just yank it?
I don't remember.
So the girl came in the van.
Why do you think I was trying to finesse it? Oh, wait, oh. There. Oh!
There you go.
That was so loud.
Ow! Now your tinnitus is worse, and you're welcome.
Well, I didn't have it in that ear. Thanks.
Do you want it in that ear?
Not particularly.
I can put my wiener in it and give you hearing aids.
That's why I parked over there.
Aha!
Breaking?
Nope. Got them all.
That was a rock. Well, he got a rock out of your bumper.
No, you gotta. You're. There you go. Fuck nuts.
Nope, not quite.
Less than adequate as usual for Jimmy.
You want to put some yellow tint on these while we're down here?
No.
You sure?
I'm not a racer.
No, he'd look like Joey's car.
I'm gonna go on record saying that yellow tint on your fog lights is rice.
But it's a rice thing.
Joey? It does have a lot of. Look at that. That was like so much easier.
Disconnect it first.
Well, you know, when you actually know what you're doing, it does tend to go a little bit faster.
Oh, because he watched me.
That's in there.
Oh, that noise.
How'd you bust both of them?
Well,
They just
I was
burned
gonna
out.
Pull it off for you.
There you go. That's the light bulb. Look it. Put in your butt.
What the
Put it
what
in
kind
your
of gay
butt.
shit are you into?
Made it click.
Clip.
How much do those bulbs cost?
Too much.
Clip.
Oh my god.
Not really. They were only $40.
$40. That's not that.
Were they really?
Yeah. They're not
I
even
mean,
LEDs
that's not what you.
either.
That's not what you expect, but
The diode dynamic ones, the LEDs are 120.
that's kind of expected. LEDs are expensive as fuck.
Oh my god.
The sequential turn signals for the front of my car LED from the, I'll say diode dynamics, but they're like $200.
Where'd you get those?
Huh?
Don't get those.
They came on the car.
I didn't get those.
Fuck boy hair.
Is my hair all fucked up?
No, you're just a fuck boy.
How much? Oh god, I hate that.
Too damn much.
Well, that went by quicker.
Not yet. Still got a few weeks.
Yeah, well.
Jesus Christ, Reese, these things are like destroyed.
Yes, because I purposely went in there and just fucked them up. You caught me.
It's all that redlining you did.
All right. Oh shit.
Oh shit, fuck.
Turn them on.
I'll turn you on.
Give me that. You take that.
I gotta put my tools away first.
Oh my god. You needy bitch. Okay.
They're not working.
Hurry up.
Ah, they're working.
They work. Do what?
They do match all the fingerprints.
Yeah, they're a little bit.
Wider than the top.
The top
Not
almost
as
look.
white.
I don't know.
They match the stripe.
Because if you just look at the bottom, they look white, but then you look at the top.
HID's warmed up. They do look about the
Yeah,
same.
never mind, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that only took 4 years.
Bill said
Better late than never.
I thought it would take like 15 minutes. Fuck you, Bill.